So if we start at the nose and move our way down, we'll go through the structure and the function. So air enters the respiratory system through the external nares into the nasal vestibule, and there the hairs provide the first form of filtration. Then we move into the nasal septum, which is divided into the left and right, and here you've got the superior portion, which also is the olfactory region, which provides us with a sense of smell. We have mucus secretion here from the parasinus and tears, and these help clean and moisten the nasal cavity. Air flows from the nose through the internal nares, through the superior, middle, and the inferior meatus. The meatus are constricted air passageways that produce air turbulence, and this provides warmth and humidification of the incoming air, and also provides trapping of any particles that shouldn't be allowed to progress further. The nasal cavity opens into the nasopharynx through the internal nares. Here we have more nasal mucus, which warms and humidifies the inhaled air before it arrives at the lower respiratory organs. It's important that we warm and humidify the air because cold, dry air can cause bronchoconstriction, which can tighten the airways and prevent air from reaching the alveolar surface. So breathing through the mouth bypasses this important step. So it's important that we breathe through our nose so that the air is warmed and moistened and filtered. So here we have another cross section and showing you the upper airways, and you've got the nose, the nasal cavities, and the pharynx, which is divided into the three, the naso, the oro, and the laryngopharynx. And then you've got in cross section, what we're going to look at in just a moment, is the larynx. But have a look at what is called the epiglottis, and you can see there that it is a pale blue there. It's representing that it's a piece of cartilage, and that piece of cartilage will fold back downwards every time you swallow to protect the opening of the trachea from any food or fluid that is going from the mouth where we've chewed it up down to the esophagus, down to the stomach. So the pharynx, like I said, is divided into three parts: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. And it's a chamber that's shared with the digestive and the respiratory system.